In this video, we'll cover how to remove Cloudflare from Chrome. Now guys, Cloudflare is not a part of Chrome, it's not an extension. What the problem actually is that you're struggling to get into websites using Cloudflare, and the usual issue for this is having a large cache and a lot of third-party cookies and so forth. So what we want to do is just clear that from our browser. So if you're a Chrome user, what you want to do is go to the top right and click on these three dots. Then you want to go down to settings. From there, we need to click on privacy and security. Then we need to click on delete browsing data. Now you don't have to delete your browsing history. What we need is cookies and other site data and cached images and files. So you can untick whichever ones and then hit delete data. Then try to load up that site that is using Cloudflare again, and everything should be running smoothly. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.